Hey guys, it's been a long time. It's been a minute, and sorry about the background noise. I am not at my usual recording location, but today I am going to be coloring my Burmese curls. It's raw hair, deep curly, and this is my very first time ever having to color any kind of hair for my client. So I know that I'm not doing like some things right. I don't have my gloves, I don't have my eye protection, I don't have any of those things. So just excuse that because I am actually coloring this hair 24 hours before the appointment time. So I had to just make do with whatever I had. I don't want to give too much details as to like whatever I use for this color because I feel like I didn't really do it properly. I mean, it turned out really nice and really pretty, but I do know that I was giving some recommendations from my good sis. She works in the salon as well, and she told me never to use like the 50 volume or the 40 volume for like my bundles and stuff, that I can just use like a 30 or maybe a 40 and just like lift it. And another thing, I didn't really do any like timing or anything like that. All I had to do was just look at the hair. I just literally just was led by faith and hope, but that is not a good way to go because you don't want to destroy your bundles and then you just lose that hair, you lose that money, you lose everything, and you have to start all over. I would say that was one of my fears regarding like having like coloring my clients raw hair before they come for the appointment option, because I just don't want to have to deal with it. But I do have some ladies in the salon that they do colors. So if my clients probably wants color, I'll probably just let them know and ask them for the prices and stuff, or have like a good deal so that you guys don't have to pay like a lot of money just to get like color in the raw hair. But I was really happy doing this one because this client, she's very open minded. She's like, whatever you can do, just do it. We're just gonna try it out and go with it. So she's just like trying different stuff. She's always done color. She never does black or brown. So, and this was probably like sorry, this was probably like easier for me because she didn't want like a strict 30 or strict 27. She just wanted like a really nice mixture of like blondes, like a 30, or like a mixture between like a 30 and a 27, or 27 and a 613. So it's looking like a color 4 right now, but it's really not gonna look like a color 4 as soon as it's done drying off. So as you can see, even though I did a very terrible job when it comes to bleaching the hair and stuff, because all I used was bleach, right? The curls were still looking good when the hair dries up. I was really, really scared that the curls were gonna look like very like wavy and just straight when I'm done. But honestly, it turned out really nice. I mean, that shows that the hair is a good quality hair, right? Great hair. That means that if I did the right thing, it probably would have turned out way better, and the curls would be like more curly and not as wavy as looking right now. I mean, it's still wet and stuff, so it's gonna dry off. I'm gonna let it just air dry. I didn't want to use like the blow dry to make it dry because this is my first time. I don't know if that's gonna do anything to the hair, but honestly, I'm just learning, and I'm just happy that my client is also very open. So I'm like, hey, I sent her a picture of how it's looking. She likes it, so that made me feel a little bit better and stuff. But next time I do know what to do. And also, what I would say, I don't know if this plays any role. If you want to color like your raw hair, I would say try to color like if you want to do like a 27 or like a 613, I would say use like the shortest inches, which would be like a 20, maybe like a 18. So let's just say if you have like a 18 inches, 20 inches, 22 inches, and you have to color them, I would say use the shortest one for like the lighter color that you want, and then use like the long one for like the for like the brown or like the 4 and stuff like that. Because I don't know, if just in case the pattern is like altered, the shortest one tends to have the curls stay together. I don't know if that makes sense, but that is what I've noticed when it comes to this one. So that's how it's looking like dry. As you can see, it's not like terrible. And trust me, as soon as you're done seeing how it was installed, it looks way better, way better. But it's still like damp now, so I'm just trying to like shake it off, see what it's looking like. I like the colors, I like hair, but I just know that I probably would have done a better job if I knew what exactly I was doing. So this is coming from someone that has no clue when it comes to colors, and the curls end up looking pretty okay. I would say the brown colors look okay, but I can see that I probably, if I left the 27 and like the lighter colors any longer, the hair would have been fried and like not looking curly at all. So I'm not proud of myself, but I would say I did okay job. Again, please don't come for me. This is like my first time ever doing any color job. Honestly, I've been trying and avoiding to like not have like the color option on my website to book, because I just don't want to have to deal with like the headache and stuff. And I'm also scared because what if a client books an appointment and they want me to color their bundles, and then when I'm done coloring the bundles, they don't end up showing up. So that scares me. So that's the reason why I'm still hesitant when it comes to allowing or giving like the colored raw hair option. But I don't mind giving my clients their bundles when they pay for it, and they can bring it back to me like 24 hours before their appointment, and that would also save them whatever fee that I probably would have charged to color the bundles as well. And that would also that would save them money, because they can like do the color how they want it, and just do it themselves basically. And this is how the hair turned out. So my clients brought some colors 613, which should be like the brightest color that you can see right now, and that is just to have like some highlights on like the hair and stuff. So we only used 4 bundles of the Burmese curls, and maybe like a half a bundle, like a 1 bundle of the 613. I think she brought like a virgin brand for like the 613, and the rest of the hair was like raw Burmese curls. Yeah, let me know how you like it. I do like it, honestly. It's just she said the hair was extremely soft, because this is actually like a 4th appointment with me. And the first time she said it was full. We used about 6 bundles for her. It was full. It wasn't like that heavy, but compared to like this one, she said it was very lightweight. She can move it around, and it was even way fuller. Okay, guys, bye. That'll be all, and I hope to post more for you guys, and I'm probably gonna have like the tea and the juice for you guys in my next video. Ciao. So for the first appointment, she actually used 6 bundles of the virgin hair, so now we're using the raw hair for this one.